May the Lord bless you and keep you, make His face shine upon you. The Lord be gracious to you. May the Lord bless you and keep you, make His face shine upon you. The Lord be gracious to you. May His love and His grace and His perfect peace guard your heart and your mind and your life. May His love and His grace and His perfect peace guard your heart and your mind and your life. May the Lord bless you and keep you, make His face shine upon you. The Lord be gracious to you. May the Lord bless you and keep you, make His face shine upon you. The Lord be gracious to you. May His love and His grace and His perfect peace guard your heart and your mind and your life. May His love and His grace and His perfect peace guard your heart and your mind and your life. Soon the day will come when our work on earth is done. United we will stand before God's throne. We will lift up holy hands, we will shout, we will praise. But the good work must go on until the day has come.
Công tục lại còn cả cái gì ở bên cả đây thì vì để hôm bữa sang công tục đi lên bên đấy và ở bên này cả làng thì
Be gracious to you. May the Lord bless you and keep you, make His face shine upon you. The Lord be gracious to you. The Lord be gracious to you.
Okay, but you have a chance to watch in the movie, you will see about the way that they got married are the understand, right? In the movie, it will show a lot of people attended in all over Chinese marriage, right? So, okay, if the question appears in your final examination, how many
Did I disappoint you or let you down? Should I be feeling guilty or let the judges frown? 'Cause I saw the end before we'd begun. Yes, I saw you were blind and I knew I had won. So I took what's mine by eternal right. Took your soul out into the night. It may be over, but it won't stop there. I am here for you, if you'd only care. You touched my heart, you touched my soul, changed my life and all my goals. And love is blind, and that I knew when my heart was blinded by you. Have kissed your lips and held your head, shared your dreams and shared your bed. I know you well, I know your smell. I've been addicted to you. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me. I am a dreamer, and when I wake, you can't break my spirit. It's my dreams you take, and as you move on, remember me. Remember us and all we used to be. I've seen you cry, I've seen you smile, I've watched you sleeping for a while. I'd be the father of your child. I'd spend a lifetime with you. I know your fears and you know mine. We've had our days and all the way and I love you. I swear it's true. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me. And I still hold your hand in mine when I'm asleep. And I will bear my soul in time when I'm kneeling at your feet. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me. I'm sorry.
ប្រកួតសញ្ញាបត្រដល់ពលរដ្ឋសិស្សអ្នកបញ្ញាបត្ររងជំនាន់ទី1និងទី2ដូច្នេះខ្ញុំសូមគោរពអញ្ជើញគណៈអធិបតីរបស់យើងគឺលោកគ្រូឡាយថ្លៃសាយថ្មីបាទដើម្បីផ្ដល់ប្រយោជន៍ប្រកួតសញ្ញាបត្រជូនបងប្អូននិស្សិតអ្នកបញ្ញាបត្ររងជំនាន់ទី1ផ្នែកភាសាអង់គ្លេសបាទសូមគោរពអញ្ជើញ